The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall, skilla. Challenge up in Josuel, Liquor Twitch, Bongo, the whole of them saying, yeah, Bossy, yeah. Yo, Pembe, that's it.
Right, so we have Ricky Choba, we have you, Brown. Yeah, man.
Please, the man.
See there.
You just back them up.
We have Predator.
Yeah.
We have Ore Sandy. See Ore Sandy, yeah.
Come with the iron, this up, and a back up.
Oh, what the man say Ore Sandy? Daddy Ryan, night with it, no? Alright, sir.
What them say?
What the man say you, Brown? Go on, man.
And come on.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Ricky Choba there. Yeah. Wait the town and tell the people.
Put that one up on YouTube.
It's coming your way. I live with it.
On YouTube.
Yeah, man. Mine, you not go back a fire. Let me say. Not that gun, then I look good.
Funny, General, honestly. Oh, you can get social distance in a daddy you writing.
Don't you have none in a price mark.
You ever see Prime Minister social distance with the wife? You know, fuck him, woman. Brother, the Prime Minister fuck him.
Yeah, Daddy Ryan, night with it, Daddy Ryan, night.
The most fine friends, class of the person who don't like that going to church. Some of them are African, but they're bird. Man, some of them are champion, king of all our brains. Not respect to the man, because daddy, you are the teacher. So sad you have to leave, yeah. Give me to them old boy. Well, no boy can't bite me out about me, done. No money now run, me just send for my gun. Promoter can't tell me about Red Bull and rum. They make a mistake, but I get so come. Me ask about the money, me not see where them done. And when things reggae music gets so hard, hold it! My God.
Lucian and Jonah Cat. Peter Metro.
I say when things reggae music gets so hard, I sing Bob Marley gone back my yard. I show Peter Touch and Dennis Brown stop record. So my mind and Gregory eyes at them man they work hard. And when them a go do you just ask them my lord. Like Sony Music and all BP record. When I jump on stage you look better than a man. Look for Lucian and Owen big on him. Careful of corona disease, cause it's a tickler. Please my people, beg no please, who no better be wise. Because I, careful of corona disease, cause it's a tickler. Please my people, beg no please, who no better be wise. I'm in COVID-19, originating in China. The God is taking over, and over Jamaica. Everything is every corner. One place on the lockdown, and you have to set the order before you all go on the ground. My God, taking full of corona disease, cause it's dirty.
Yeah, Daddy writing with it, Daddy you writing with it, cling over with it right now.
Enough respect.
Yeah.
Yo, this is enough to organize the break.
Well, I'm John.
Push and show.
Yeah, Joan, the original Japanese. She did all of the dancehall thing them want to know that. Joan this, you know.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everyone. And I greet you with nothing but love and respect. However, we are having a problem with the distancing. And if we keep having a problem with the distancing, then the police are going to force us to take our distance. You understand me? The battlefield is big enough. We are asking you to step back a little bit from each other. We know the sound now a rubber dub sound, but on a rubber dub time now. So keep on the distance a little bit. Step off of each other, please and thanks. Please and thanks. I'm falling like when people rub up on him and not deal with the ground thing, you know. My father not deal with the ground thing, especially man or up and man. So me ask you to please maintain a bit of distance. Thanks and nothing but love.
Well, Only hear what the ladies say now, and if you don't do the right thing, then we'll lock it down again. So just kind of spread out a little, right? Because when we don't know it, we don't want to make things worse. That is sharp, pick up yourself, you know, Peter makes you come in. What am I solution? Join with my people, just cooperate, please. Because we don't want this thing locked off at all. We want it to go right up to about 9 or 10 o'clock. You see me, I say? Just spread out, please, spread out. We can still have fun, man. Go on, run a track, please.
Daddy Rye 9 night with you. We are telling you, Daddy Rye 9 night. Run with him, that tickler.
So last year, I know. Thanks for the cooperation. Oh, wait. Oh, God. We have to ask your mind to God to give a nice strength to face the school here, my God. The pandemic and with all the crisis. So God, by strength to face another day. Make it to long life, Lord, and carry my heavy load. Give I got nice strength to carry.
Daddy Rye 9 night with you.
To my Lord. Give me a mix, alright then. Them a wish bad for we a wish good for them. Oh Lord, about them one we broke the foot of pop, we and we don't want a whole drum in on them. Come on, help me sing again. When them a wish bad for we say wish good for them. Oh Lord, about them want to lose the soul, and I pray to God, no, don't hurt them. Well, alright, no, she and I say, clean we clean, pure we pure. So just bless us just as our down more, come more clean we clean, pure we pure. Call on them outside your bus up any door. One more time from top, let's just take the day. Tuna sign at the building, away as well. Yeah man, Bonnie General, big up a Tuna sign. Please in the illusion, what works? Lord, don't know, who shall I tell? Who shall I tell? The Lord is my light and my salvation. Who shall I fear? Who shall I fear? When the enemy is coming alone, I can defend them. But when the hidden are coming, you are alone. I can call upon, yes. You I can call upon, yes. Na 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 na. Who's gonna help right praise Jehovah? La 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 la. Who's gonna help me praise Jehovah? Hold it, hold it, hold it. With the order of distinction from His Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie, I present to you the Honorable General Trees. Where are you, king?
General Trees.
You know, sir, that blind person we have on this work right now. So, Lucy. Move on, Lucy. That a blind person we are going to do some work right now. So, we are allowing him to sing. Yeah, man. Action.
Yo, don't start the thing.
Yo. I just want to. Yo. Yeah.
Lucy, don't slow down the thing.
As the chief said, I introduce you G action. So we don't fight you, we build you. Away at some of you.
A rubber dub dance, you know, so anything I play, just sing on it.
R.I.P. to you, Ryan.
Anything I play, sing on it.
Run the rhythm.
Yeah.
Alright. We'll take the time to go through. Something like you don't want to live the life. Read the word, get it right, meditate every night like a tree planted by the river side. Bear fruit in the seasons, and them wonder if that you can blind in future. It looks alright, everything okay, everything alright. What you feel to want to call a wife and stab out a leg with a tree stand knife.
Hold it. Come from top, my brother. G action. Seems like the lyrics take a direction that we don't really appreciate. them a fire, see everything from top. But want the youth them to put on the gun. Don't war no crime, I support no violence. Say, the one is this now.
Oh, you.
Stop the first day the party, brother. Those who time for unity. Stop the first day the party, brother. Those who time for unity. Come on, boy. Hey, remember, sir, you're right here. You have to show respect and condolence to the family. Shaking the one and the family. Watch out. All right. Don't stop this. I just want to make people rock this. And it's something good to put that up to. Beat up the life and beat up. Beat up. Beat up. Made the red and beat a lot. I beat up. Listen to me. Don't know them shit. Don't tell them put a verse in the head. The clip low body of the head. I just say it's a moment of acknowledgement. Rest in peace. I know that you and I want to make sure that all the lyrics and all the music that I and I play and sing today must be contributing to a spiritual growth of the king. Nothing less, I don't have to hide them. Otherwise, I must stay far from it 6 feet and 20 feet apart from it.
Yeah, Lotion.
Yes,
Farming Neil for me, no please.
I want to bring them a general, a musician, a maestro, and a singer.
Firehouse!
Right now. Come to us, cat. Come see. Yeah, man. The money on the right back. Big man here.
Oh, my God. One lamb bunny, one lamb bunny.
See? Yeah. Yeah, rest in peace. Daddy Ron. It's a best one. Hear the sound. Shut up, you don't hear what is happening. Pumpkins, right move. Some people call him wrong move, but I call him right move. Come. Listen to the message. See? Yes. Skilla day. Junior track. Extra. General change. Big up. Hear this. Yeah. Some different change. How you can reach it. It doesn't make no sense. If things come to those who are offering now, adjust yourself to the life you can afford to live.
Firehouse, go.
The road to the top is not the road. Peace. Come in, Eggy. Come down, Eggy.
Hey, world, running back in the coming on no time for waste not that right. Some boy you laugh and when he corrects your toothbrush with toothpaste. I want to them cut burn over. Them for no.
Up yourself. No more.
You wanna back up? Hey, Joe Lick shot. One Joe Lick shot. Social distance. Uncle Price Mart alone supposed to run with 2,000 people at the time. Price Mart alone supposed to run with 2,000 people at the time. But out here, so where people them poor, don't ram it up.
People, if you understand and know all these things, truth and right and reality. It's the Mama Christie, chop out and gone and forgotten. No, it no goes up. It have to happen, a nature life. So black people, one and all, make we understand each other thing. Government them tell us to watch out. In portfolio and that right, the thing can go on. But the social distance and face from mass and mass from face. So if a guy don't have no mass but face, he don't have no pass. Why put on the effort, make them understand what they have. See, a day must himself a chat. I have a gun for me, if a boy them like it, a gunshot. I'm a done chat. The brother cat, where I say? Don't shoot, don't shoot. Answer me the champion king of Zala bring. Let me tell them old boy. Lord.
Let's start it. Let it run, let me sing. Sitting on the home and dance on floor in my favorite wallaby. Level. Some songs of memories, and it sounds so good to me. But as I get up and take a look around, Daddy boy feet in the way. Stumble and fall, he was right on the floor. I couldn't see his face, but after this baby, Daddy boy, from we, Daddy boy, you go.
I'm calling him on the plan. So last year I was sharing him. Since it does that topic, my brother.
Daddy right night with there now. Let me say with it. Daddy right night. Bag of rice. Everything nice. We're there far from them. Rice man. I think you have to do with that.
Look what you're going through. Daddy, Lord, we are missing you, yeah. Tell me why the road turns. Daddy, Lord, we are missing you, yeah. Tell me why the road turns. As I look around, I see you signs of the light. Oh, yes, a singer. Let's go back.
Closer, spinners, closer. Get the mic, look closer, spinners.
Oh, hear me now. You see right now, I'm in Peter, make sure I'm on the people them don't say. I'm gonna tell you something. Uri is an icon in the music industry. People have come from Tivoli, them no reach it. People have come from jungle, from Rima. I want to understand, say, music is what brings people together. A long time people don't have this.
Let me say something.
So I just want the people them know, say, it's just total niceness. The people them, God for see the artists them, a long time them not see it.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And according to some things that have been said on social media about the entire video, and according to some things that have been said in the entire video that is out on social media, it is said that the video shows an event that is said to be Uri's night. See? Uri is a Jamaican musician who died sometime within the month of February, the year 2021. See? Now, my understanding of a night is that a night is an event that persons within the country of Jamaica keep to show respect to someone who died on the 9th night from when the person lost his or her life. You see? Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, certain things don't really operate like what used to within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, because of certain rules and laws that have been implemented by the government within the country of Jamaica to help stop the spread of the COVID-19. You see what I'm saying to you? It's really good to see so many Jamaican musicians turn up at the event to show their respect to Uri. You see what I'm saying to you? Some persons might call him Daddy Uri. You see what I say? Yeah. Alright, so big up and respect to the friends and the families and the loved ones of Daddy Uri. You see me? You know, Jamaica music really and truly lost an icon. legends never die, you see it? In my point of view, legends never die. You see me I say? So me look at life, you see it? Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one. You can let me know what you think about that piece of video that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And here's where I'm going to leave it. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.